Hello guys, today we will discuss the CSR NET June 2017 question booklet A part C, question number 80. It is a 4 marks question. So this is the question on your screen where you can see this is the metal complex is given and it will react with CH3I, and what will be the product among this we have to determine. So it is a SN2 type of mechanism, and first guys we will see the mechanistic details of this reaction. So this is the viscous compound, and I discussed about this compound in my previous video. So I will give the link of the previous video in the description box. Please watch the video. And first we will go for the electron count of this metal ion complex. Okay. So you can see it is iridium is a cobalt 6 compound, and therefore the cobalt has 3d7 4s2 is the electronic configuration, and hence the iridium will be 5d7 4s2 will be the electronic configuration, because this is the 4d, this is the 5d. Okay, so 6s2, sorry, so 6s2 will be the electronic configuration. So what is the total electron count? 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So this 9 is the metal electron, so 9 will be the metal electron, and these two pph3 will give 2 plus 2 electrons, and this cobalt will give 2 electron, and this Cl minus will give 1 electron. So therefore it is a 16 electron system. Okay, and this Cl has a negative charge, and therefore the metal is a positive charge. Okay, metal has a positive charge. So this is a 16 electron system, and therefore it is not so stable, and hence it is a very good in oxidative addition reaction. Okay, and what is the structure of this complex is square planar. I discussed yesterday videos. So you can see for an octahedral complex what will happen. We know for the octahedral complex, the in between the axis orbitals will goes down, and along the axis orbital will goes above in energy. And what will happen in the square planar case? The Z ligands will be vanish, and hence the Z orbital will come in a lower energy. So therefore among these two, the dz square will come to the lower energy, and among these three, the Z component is there in the dyz and dxz. These two will come in the lower energy. So this is the electronic structure of the square planar complex. So how many metal electrons present? So metal has a 9 electrons, and now it has a positive charge in it. So therefore 9 minus 1 equal to 8 electrons are there. So 8 electrons are there. So this 8 electrons, how we can distribute? We can distribute like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the highest energy d orbital which has a electron. Okay, which has 2 electrons. So this can be donated as a nucleophile. Okay, and it can react like a SN2 manner. So now after this reaction, the compound geometry will be trans or cis. That is a question. So for that we have to come to the reactant properties. Reactant may be non-polar, slightly polar, or polar. So for non-polar and slightly polar, what will happen? The metal electron donation and the bonding electron will come to the metal vacant d orbital. These two processes will happen synergistically, means simultaneously, and hence it will give a cis product. So therefore these two will lead to cis product. But for polar compound cases, what will happen? For this case, the metal electron donation will happen first, and then a metal CH3 positive charge will come, and the I minus what will produce in this case, that will react from the opposite direction, and it will form a trans complex. Okay, for the polar it will form trans complex. So guys, I hope you understand this. So now in our case it is given as a polar reactant. So therefore what will happen? So it will form first the iridium pph3, and here Cl and CO pph3, and here CH3, and a positive charge will come on the metal, and the I minus whatever is there, the I minus will react from the back side, and it will form this complex. The CH3 is there, CO pph3 and Cl, and here the I. So this is the complex which will form, and this is the octahedral complex because 6 ligands are there. And one more thing is that we will count for the electrons. So here the iridium is 9, this 2 pph3 will give 4, cobalt will this carbon monoxide will give 2, and this CH3 will give 1, Cl will give 1, and I minus will give 1. So total it is 18 electrons, right? So for 13 15 18 electrons. So this is the 18 electron species, and this is so stable species. And this is a oxidative addition happen because the metal charge is increased from +1 to +3, because it is a -1, it is a -1, and it is a -1. So therefore ligand is +3 oxidation state. So plus 3 means how many electrons are there? 9 minus 3 equal to 6 electrons are there. So it is an octaedral complex with 6 electrons. So it will be the electronic configuration like this. It is a low spin complex because of the very high delta O value for the 5D complexes I discussed in my previous video. So this is the final product in our case. So now we'll see the options. In the options we can see the CH3 high in the cis position here. So therefore this is not our correct answer. Here also it is in the cis, so this is not also correct answer. Here and here it is a trans. But guys, you can see in our starting material the PPS3 are in the trans, and the position of the PPS3 will not change throughout the reaction, and hence here the cis geometry form of the PPS3, therefore it is not possible. So this is the option 1 where the CH3I is in the trans and the both PPS3 is the trans, and hence this is the correct answer. So option 1 is the correct answer. So guys, I hope you understand the mechanism. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. I will come for the next video tomorrow.